Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video I'm going to be taking you through step by step on how you can activate your METAFORCE and start earning money like crazily, right? I'm just going to do that right away, but before we do that, I want to let you know that the METAFORCE is actually a project. It's a kind of smart contract project, okay, that is running on a Polygon blockchain, and then it's a kind of a marketing business model that allows you to earn unlimitedly. You can earn thousands of dollars depending on how far you can take your game. Right now, it's generational, like according to the design, is not meant to stop. Of course, when we say smart contract, it means that even they that created the platform don't have total control on, they don't have control on your fund. You are in charge of your fund, and when you execute any operation, it's automatic. You don't need anybody to actually confirm what you have executed for it to come to you, right? And of course, what I'm saying is not a financial advice, but I feel it's something that is lucrative and profitable. And of course, I didn't want to come up with this video, but then when the platform, actually they are doing a kind of pre-launch activation right now, okay, and I'm going to be giving you a breakdown of what you need to activate it, okay, because after the pre-launch activation, when it is officially launched, is going to be double what you use to activate right now. So right now there is a kind of 50% discount on activation of any level, and they have up to 12 levels on the METAFORCE, right? But let's just get into the video of how we can activate these levels. Maybe I still have a whole lot of videos to do on this, right? But this, I wouldn't say is 100% legit, but it's legit to an extent. A lot of people are making money already. It's not new again, but I know some of you do not know about it, or you've not heard about it, or you've not given attention to it, or perhaps it has not come from the source you trust. And I know some of you are on it already, those of you that are following my channel, and at the same time I know that some of you are waiting for me to make this kind of review video. So I've actually been keeping an eye on it, watching it, and now it's time that we make the video, especially now that the site is fully with a whole lot of features and more stability on it. So let's just get into it. What are the things you actually need to start up, right? Okay, you need Trust Wallet or MetaMask, okay, but I prefer you use Trust Wallet, okay. To get started, to get ready, you need Trust Wallet and then an exchange, okay, and then you need two coins, and those coins are POS DAI stable coin and then Matic Polygon. Both are on the Polygon smart chain. I already made a video on how you can purchase the Matic and then from any of your exchange and send it to Trust Wallet and then swap to DAI. Okay, the DAI is what you use for the activation, but the Matic is for gas fee. So you just need some Matic and more of DAI, okay, for the activation. And a quick breakdown of the number of DAIs and Matic that you'll be needing, okay, as we'll be going now. Okay, maybe I will say that when I get to the place. So all you need to do is to download your Trust Wallet. If you've not downloaded, if you don't have it, but if you have it, follow the video I made on how to actually purchase Matic, and then step by step. So you need your Trust Wallet, and when you have your phone, the DAI and the Matic on your Trust Wallet, you need to copy the link of your referral, okay, your referral's METAFORCE link. Now, if you want to join my team, it's very important you join a team. And of course, you cannot join this platform, you cannot activate the levels without having referral link. So you need to join a team that is active. So join me, contact. If you check the description box, you'll be seeing my contacts. You can contact me. I will also leave the link, my referral link okay, my METAFORCE referral link in the description box of this video. Better still, join my Telegram group or contact me via WhatsApp or email. I'm going to be giving you my referral link. All you need to do is click and copy that referral link, and then head over to your Trust Wallet if you've had your coins ready, and then click on DApp. When you click on DApp, you are going to be pasting your referrals link on the search button. I've copied mine already, so I'm gonna paste it there. So when you paste it there, you just make a little touch so that it will pop up for you to click on this tick button. In some devices it might be go, some devices might be done. That's where you're going to click, right? So when you do that, yes, it's going to lead you to this page. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is that you want to change the network. If you look up here, you are going to be seeing Ethereum logo. So you are clicking on that, and then you change it to Polygon. That's the network that this project is running on, right? Change it to Polygon. Have you seen it? It's changed already to Polygon. And then you scroll down, you're going to be seeing sign up now. You're going to be seeing sign up now. You click on sign up now, and then you connect your wallet. If you are using MetaMask, fine, you click on MetaMask. If you are using Trust Wallet or Wallet Connect, but I'm using Trust Wallet, so I'm going to click on Trust Wallet, and then I'll connect. Yes, so it's connected already. So I'm going to also, this is of course I'll be leaving this step by step, how you can follow it in the description box, and when you join my Telegram group, you're also going to see it. So when it comes to this place right now, you have to approve. Click on approve, right? You have to click on approve transaction by clicking I will approve, right? And then I will use my fingerprint to do this, and then I'll wait until it shows successful like this. So it's successful right now. So I've actually signed up immediately, and as soon as I signed up, I'll click OK. Have you seen it? Right? I'll click OK. Now, for those of you that want to bring some other persons, okay, this is where you're clicking. If you click here, you copy your referral link, METAFORCE space. Okay, share the link and invite your friends to the METAFORCE to build your team. Okay, so you can actually do that right away. So when you do this, okay, like I said, this is your METAFORCE ID. And to copy your link, this is my link. This is where I'm going to copy your link, right? And then you also see your upliners link and all that, upliners ID. Okay, now you see this is the Matic I have on my Trust Wallet. This is the DAI I have on my Trust Wallet. Of course, this is my Trust Wallet ID address, right? So you now scroll down to start activating the levels one after the other, right? Now if you don't have, I'll be activating up to 5 levels right away, but in case you do not have the fund to actually activate up to 5 levels, you can activate up to at least in fact, it's advisable to activate up to 5 levels so that you have more earnings from spillovers. I'm going to be explaining what spillover is all about, but not in this video, right? So I just want to do this because this pre-launch is very short, and when they stop the pre-launch, the fee is gonna go up, it's gonna double, right? That's why I'm doing this. So you scroll down, then you see METAFORCE system, right? Now to activate, you click on preview. Okay, each level you want to, they actually have up to 12 levels, right? Up to 12 good levels. And to activate, you have to activate the levels serially, sequentially, right? From level 1, you activate. After activating level 1, level 2 will actually be highlighted for you if you have the fund. Now to activate level 1, you need 5 DAI. Okay, to activate level 1 and 2, you need 15 DAI. Okay, that means level 1 is 5 DAI, level 2 is 10 DAI. So level 1 and 2 is 15 DAI, right? Now if you want to activate level 1 to 3, which is the least I can advise you do, then you have to keep 35 DAI for level 1 to 3 activation. I'm going to be doing it, and if you have patience enough, you will see me do it live, right? If you want to activate to level 4, you'll be needing 75 DAI. If you want to activate from level 1 to 5, you'll be needing at least 155 DAI, and that's how it goes. If you join my group, I'm going to be giving you the breakdown of how much you need to activate if you want to activate up to level 12, or no matter what level you want to activate. So right now I'm going to be activating from level 1 to 5 because I have 157 DAI right here. Okay, so what you are going to do is to click on this. When you see classic, this classic, you click on preview, right? Clicking on preview, and then it will take us to this place. Have you seen it? This is level 1. So I'm clicking on activate. As you can see, this level 2 is not highlighted. I told you level 1 is 5 DAI. So I'm going to, of course, I have my 10.3 Matic for gas fee, right? So, and in case you're having any challenge, I think the customer service is always online. They will always pop up message to know if they will guide you if you have any need for guidance, right? But I don't really have any need for guidance, so I'm going to click on activate. As soon as I'm done activating this, now this will be highlighted, this green again. So let me click on activate. Activation of level 1, you are buying level 1 at this 5 DAI. So I'm going to click on proceed, right? Connect check, Polygon balance check, 5 DAI, 0 Matic, right? So I'm going to click on proceed. Let me remove this chart. Okay, so and then I'll confirm. Okay, and then approve. Look at the fee. Look at the fee, 0.1 Matic. So that 10 Matic, okay, can actually activate up to, you know, level 8 or thereabout. So you need just little Matic, right? So I'm going to approve it. I'm going to approve it right away. So that level 1 is actually activated right now. Let me see the pop-up message. Just follow this step by step. So if you are getting value on this video already, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, and share this video with others. Also, do good to subscribe to this channel if you've not done so. Contact me, ask me questions, and I'll always be there to guide you. So as you can see, I just activated the first level. Now you can actually exercise little patience with it while you do the activations, and okay, because of network issues or so I've activated the first level right now. So I'm going to pause this video and activate all the levels to 5, to the 5th one, right, to the 5th level. Just as you can see, this is the level 5. You'll be needing $80. In fact, if you scroll down, you will see all the DAI that is needed to activate all the levels, at least to the levels you want to activate, right? So as you can see right now, okay, the $5 or 5 DAI have been deducted from this, and then the Matic is still remaining 10 point something. Remember, it was 10.3. So I'm just going to pause the video and activate all the levels, and then I'll get back and say bye to you guys, right? So I'm starting with level 2 again, okay, till level 5. So guys, I've activated the 4 levels and is remaining only the 5th level, right? And as you can see, just take a look at the DAI that is remaining, okay, and that 5th level goes for 80 DAI, okay. And take a look at my Matic, it's still remaining 9 point something Matic. So I'm just going to go ahead to activate the last level that I want to activate in the meantime. Of course, with time, I'll still activate more levels so that I'll increase my earnings. But I just want to let you know, in case you encounter challenges, you can always click on this okay, live chat to get more guides. Of course, they are the one that are even going to send message to you to know if you need some guide. And also, in case you activate a level and you're experiencing a little delay, you just have to exercise some patience. Or if you have activated and it did not reflect like this, remember each level you activate will reflect like this. Fine. Now if it doesn't reflect immediately and maybe you want to click on proceed again and it tells you execution reverted. Okay, you just have to log in and come in, log out and come in again, and log in again, because that statement execution reverted means that the activation was actually successful already. So you just have to give it some time, log in again, and you see that that level has been activated before the next level to be activated will also be highlighted. And your earning, remember, your earning, as far as you have done the registration properly, your earning goes directly into your trust wallet. It reflects directly into your trust wallet on your DAI coin, right? You don't need anything you are earning reflects here. And I want to advise, in case you do not want to bring in new persons, okay, just try as much as possible to activate up to 5 levels, and then you will be having your spillovers. Like I said, I'll be making more videos to make more explanations on the terms or the terminologies on this metaphors, right? So that's where I'm going to end this video now. I'll just click on activate now for the 5th level, and then I'll continue with the activation process, and that will be the end for today's video, guys. So I'm just going to proceed. Look at 80, and then I'll click on proceed, and then I'll say goodbye for today, right? So proceed, and you go through the same process of confirming. I will confirm, right? And then I will also approve. Okay, it will pop up for me to approve. Yes, just as you can see, and then I will approve. Okay, that's just how you do it. Okay, now I'm using fingerprint because my phone is fingerprint enabled. Yours might be requiring you to put your transaction code, or I mean your code, your password also. Okay, your trust wallet password. But I'm using this fingerprint because my phone is fingerprint enabled. So many thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll be talking to you in my next video. Check in the description box, you see the link to my Telegram group, you see my METAFORCE referral link, and if you come to my Telegram group or you contact me via any means that are provided in the description box, I'm going to be answering your questions. Don't give up on this kind of opportunity, because it can make you multi-millionaire in no time at all. Talk to you in my next video. Bye.